welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while, but I had already done the intro and all that. Told you guys what we were gonna do, but my smart ass didn't turn on the mic, so I'll tell you guys right now. Alright guys, so in today's videos we are gonna be working on the RSX because something happened last night. But look at this. Which one do you guys like more, red or the blue one? I already know you guys like the red one more, but this is what happened last night. I don't know when, I was just driving and I don't know where I saw it at the corner of my eye. So fuck, I don't know. The car sounds good and everything though, so I'm gonna go see what that is and I'll update you guys when I get over there. I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna go to O'Reilly's or to my homie's house because he has all that good stuff you need. So yeah. It sounds good though. I forgot to turn on the mic, so valió verga everything I just said. No, well, the Hummer already right here, but there's magic. A ver que vergas. New engine, K24.
Ahora, pon un BQ.
Well yeah, I just pulled up to his pad. That's his whip. I'll probably still throw in the other video with no sound.
No, man, put the subtitles in.
But yeah, he approves, I think.
That shit had low.
Alright guys, so we found the problem.
I'm the problem.
This was the problem. I'm the problem, the driver's the fucking problem. And that was like the intake
manifold control valve.
That shit.
That shit.
The thing is this little part right here, somewhere in here. But
that's what it looks like.
Oh shit. I'll take care of that.
I'll take care of that. I'll just come up on them time I work.
Yeah. So it wasn't. I mean, the car runs fine and shit. So I'll probably just get it and throw that shit on later. But right now I'm gonna show you guys the real deal. Sheesh, what? Never mind guys, we found it. My boy did it. Right there. So I think just should be an easy fix. Yeah. No, but yeah, I'm fucking having intake. I hadn't showed you guys. Pretty dumb because it gets all the fucking hot air from the headers. Alright, so I'm gonna take my rear grill for a spin. A ver si quema o no quema.
Okay. Oh no!
Shit froze, nigga.
Cabrón.
No. This famous Chapo from Baltimore, California.
Chapo. Alright guys, me va a sacar el cut.
Alright guys, no more check engine light.
Se le ten on that. It's gone. A ver si no queman o no cut.
¿Dónde le doy?
Dale para allá, man. Si ya no se la apaga. Ah, cabrón.
That shit hits, man. No sé qué pedo.
The rods or what?
Yeah. Pretty clean. For a Honda. Where you at, Corn?
Oh, Corn, where you at? What?
Yeah, that shit. No sé qué, like, no se mira la tire, güey, the rubs or anything. But yeah, guys, para que vean que ya se manejar.
Ya se la apaga.
No andaba valiendo verga.
He just skips first and goes to second. So mames. nos apagó, that's why we cut it. We cut the footage, but ya le agarró la onda otra vez, so ahí vamos. No. Que andamos por la casa de Picalban. Oh, shit.
You know. Sí se escucha like annoying loud, ¿no, güey?
Nah,
What do you think?
fool, it's cool.
Cool?
Have you been in mine, güey?
Nah.
Ahorita nos vamos a Noria, güey, so you can fucking record the pops, güey.
Puffs and bangs and... ¿Qué más?
And
That's
slangs,
it.
pops and bangs and flames.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take some videos of the homie's whip. I'm probably gonna go for a test drive right now.
My 06 G35, the things I got done to it. I'm on airlift suspension. I got some 3-piece wheels. I got a fucking Kuma Z front bumper with the easy splitter, front splitter. Then I'm rocking the Spec D headlights with the aftermarket grill that it came with. Then
It's fucking clean. Color combo.
used to have a hood, but it fucking flew up on the carbon one. Then I got the impulse side skirts. And then in the rear, see this picture?
Yeah.
Oh shit. And then in the rear I got the charge speed all with it up there. Just I haven't wrapped it because I need to prep it because if not it'll bubble up.
This shit's fucking wide.
We got a full ISR exhaust from the cat's back. Carbon fiber TG Works trunk.
Sheesh. Oh yeah, this carbon fiber. Okay. Yes, can you see this shit? Oh, there you go. Kinda.
Wrap the top of it.
It's just wrapped up.
Besides that, I'm tuned, admin tune. Got an engine intake.
So it's just fucking loud.
Fuck yeah.
That's fuck. It's gonna turn it on right now. Hopefully,
A ver si prende.
we can hear the fucking shit. There's my little Honda. Alright guys, so we're gonna take it for a spin. And this is how it sounds. Different face already. It was like burgundy wine red with black wheels and with these wheels. I'll probably throw some pictures on so you guys can see it. Make sure to follow the man. Pretty clean. I'll get some pictures like this real quick and then I'll see you guys on the road. Wow, that's fucking loud.
You guys can't relate.
I'm gonna break you guys' heart, but it is an automatic,
I know.
sadly, but this is fucking clean. How clean this car is makes up for it. Alright guys, so I made it home. It didn't turn on, but I'm still gonna replace that part. And I'm also gonna order a new key because this shit broke. I mean, it was broken, but the little thing, plastic cover, also ripped. And that's it guys. Hope you guys liked that video. Let me know what you guys think of the homie whip. Pretty clean. Like, comment, subscribe.